We have Rohit Bajaj, Joint Managing Director at Indian Energy Exchange, joining us. Now, of course, Mr. Bajaj, let me first off start by asking you, of course, the growth for the month that you've disclosed has been extremely strong. Talk us through which products are driving this growth first. And second, market share. Talk us how we are planning to consolidate that at IEX.
Yeah, good morning. The month was, as you rightly said, was very good for us. We clocked 36% growth on YOY basis. And this was mainly driven across electricity and renewable certificates. Electricity side, we are doing exceptionally well in real-time market. We have done highest ever volume this month in real-time market. And then green markets have picked up very well starting July. Day-ahead market, which is our the biggest market, that has also started doing very well. So it is collective thing all across. We are seeing very good growth. But if you ask me what two products are contributing majorly to this, then it is real-time market, green markets, and the certificates. There are certain good things which has happened. Last year, if you see, our growth was 14%, and that was subdued because there was limitation on the supply side. This year, particularly with many initiatives by the government, we have seen coal production going up in double digit. We are seeing other initiative by the government where imported coal-based plants are operational. In between, during the crunch period, even gas-based plants are operational. So on YTD basis, we are at 31% up level as compared to last year. And this has been very good. Last 2 months, particularly, July, we grew by 55%. August, we grew by 36%. And one very good thing which has happened is the prices have come down. So consecutively for last 2 months, we have seen below 5 rupees prices. And this is one sweet spot where we see participants, buyers coming to meet their requirement also, and then they are also coming to replace their costlier power. So we feel that this is sustainable, may not be at a rate of 30% plus, but we are expecting very high demand going forward also because the overall demand in the country is increasing. We have seen 8-9% growth in last couple of years. This year, again, we are 7% plus. And going forward, we expect that this momentum will continue.
All right. Mr. Bajaj, just give us a thought on what gives you the confidence that this pricing will sustain, this below rupees 5 per unit that you are speaking about.
Yeah, so I won't say this will be all the months it is going to be 5 rupees, below 5 rupees, but we expect that since the supply situation has eased out, and there are certain measures which are going to stay with us because coal production, which has increased, which is continuously increasing. Now, today, coal production is increasing more than our demand increase. So this is something which we are expecting is going to be there in times to come. Then there is a lot more capacity which is in the pipelines. We are seeing solar capacity addition in a very big way this particular year. We are also looking at conventional capacity commissioning, which is going to happen this year. About 10-12 gigawatt of additional capacity will come. So there are two parts to it. First is we should have sufficient capacity where we are seeing many things in the pipeline. We are expecting 30-40 gigawatt of capacity overall, conventional plus RE to come in this particular year. And second is utilization of existing capacity. Now, utilization of existing capacity will happen when you have fuel available. So that has got two parts. One is domestic production, which has increased hugely, and second is imported coal prices have also come down. Now, with the imported coal prices come down and staying at this level, this also provides a lot of room for additional supply because the utilization of imported coal-based plant also increases. So these are some of the factors which we believe will going to be there in the times to come, and prices are going to be around this level. Or certain months when the winter months, when we see there is decline in demand, we can expect prices to go down even further.
And what do you believe will contribute most to your top line? Regulatory environment is a bit volatile in that sense. So do you believe that product mix will hold the key for you?
Yes, product mix. In fact, if I look back, there was a time when almost 90% of our revenue used to come from just one product, which was day-ahead market. Today, that number has gone down below 50%. We have numerous products available. As I mentioned, real-time, green market. We have term-ahead market also doing well because the longer duration contract. Today, we are providing contracts up to 3 months. And we have also filed approval from the regulator to enhance it from 3 months currently to 11 months. We are also in the process of introducing green real-time market subject to approval from the Honorable CRC, the commission which is regulating the sector. So these are some of the things which we feel that is going to provide even more headroom to us to grow and consolidate the overall electricity market. Market as such is expected to grow going forward, and historically we have seen within the short-term segment, exchange is one segment which has been growing at the fastest pace. Now, all the distribution utility, they see a lot of value in it because these prices which are discovered here, these are most competitive prices. There is a transparent way of discovering these prices. So on the price front, they are very comfortable with this. And second is flexibility that they get. Your demand is not constant throughout the day. You need more power during the peak hours. Sometimes peak is in the evening, winter time, you have morning peaks also there. So if you want power for 2, 3, 4 hours, this is the only platform which provides you that. So I think these are some of the things which we feel that is going to add a lot of value to our participant and as well as to us.
Understood. All right, Mr. Bajaj, short on time. So we're going to have to close the conversation here. Thank you so much for coming in, speaking with us. Of course, extremely interesting. IEX has given very solid returns to investors.